Mama.
How was your day?
My day was very good, Mama.
Did you enjoy today in the school?
Yes, Mama.
What did you do?
मैंने तो आज क्या किया पता है? हमारे स्कूल में स्क्रीन था, तो फिर है ना मैंने स्क्रीन देखा बहुत सारा।
अच्छा।
हाँ, आज हमारे स्कूल में है ना, पता नहीं क्यों आज टीचर ने पूरा पूरा टीवी दिखाया, तो मुझे तो बहुत ही मजा आ गया मम्मा।
अच्छा, okay.
Yes, Mama.
Now sit. Come on, sit.
Mama, no, I want mobile, Mama.
No.
I will not change the.
Come here.
No, I
Come
will
here,
not change the.
Bachcha.
No, Mama.
Come
I want phone.
Are you not hungry now?
No, I want phone. I will eat.
No
my
phone. See, you have so
Phone.
many toys. You can play with toys.
No.
Come here, see.
No,
We have so
Mama.
many toys.
No.
Come here.
No, Mama.
Come here and see.
No, I want phone. I want phone, Mama. I want phone.
What do I do with you?
Mama, I want phone. Mama,
Your
phone.
eyes will be affected because of
No,
phone.
I don't want all these toys. No, I want phone. I want TV. I want phone, Mama.
Okay, sit down.
No, give me phone, Mama.
Okay,
I want
sit.
phone.
This girl will never understand that phone is not good for her. I will give you food. Finish your food, okay? Come here. Eat your food. Give me the mobile.
No,
Eat the
Mama.
food.
No.
Give me the mobile.
No.
Okay, start eating. Will you eat by yourself? This girl will not even eat her food by herself. What do I do with her? Eat. What do I tell her? Come on, it is your sleeping time. Come here.
No, Mama.
Come, Bachcha, give me your phone.
No.
Come here. It's time for you to go to sleep. Come here.
No.
Come here.
No.
Sleep.
Mama.
Come sleep. No phone.
No.
Come here and sleep. Come on, stand up.
No.
Come on, stand up. It's time for you to go to sleep. Come here and sleep. Sleep slowly. Now I'll finish up with my household chores, okay?
Mama, I want phone.
Go to sleep.
Mama, phone.
Go to sleep.
No, Mama, TV.
No,
TV,
go to
Mama. Mama, TV.
No, you have to sleep, Bachcha. Come here.
No, TV, Mama.
Okay, after some time, lie down to sleep. Sleep.
Mama, phone.
No.
Please, Mama.
Go to sleep.
No, Mama.
Come on, I want to sleep with you.
I want phone, Mama.
I will
want. Mama,
Come,
phone.
come sleep.
No phone.
Okay, take the phone, come sleep. I'll make you sleep.
Mama, phone. Yes, Mama.
Tomorrow you have your school.
No,
Give me the
Mama.
phone, go to sleep.
No.
Bacha, go to sleep. This is not the right time to watch phone.
No.
Give me my mobile back.
No.
You have your school tomorrow.
No.
Give it to me.
No.
Give it to me.
No.
Come here.
No.
Come here. Go to sleep.
No. Mama, my eyes are getting itched. I don't know why.
What happened, Bacha? What happened?
Itching is happening in my eyes. I can't see
Leave
properly.
the screen. Leave the
No,
screen.
Mama.
Give me. Come. Go to sleep.
Mama, I can't see properly. It's
What?
Yes.
Oh my God! You are not able to see properly.
No, Mama. Your face is also getting blurred.
Oh my God! Let me call the doctor. Don't cry. Don't cry. Hello. Doctor, my daughter is not able to see properly. I need an appointment immediately. Okay, I can bring her right now. Okay, I'll bring her right now itself. Thank you. Come, let's go. Come. Doctor,
Yes,
can you
yes.
please check? She's not able to see.
What happened? You use very much mobile.
Yes.
Or rather screens. Don't rub, don't rub.
Put your hands down.
Her eyes are so red. Wait, let me check her. Breathe in. It's very critical. Her eyes are so this. Open your eyes. I have to operate her.
Oh my God, what?
Yes, I'm giving you some medicines. Just give her.
Okay. See, I told you not to use mobile phone. Now she has to get operation done.
इन्हें इंजेक्शन लगाना पड़ेगा, इनको ऑपरेशन करना पड़ेगा.
Oh my God.
Come, मैं आपको ओटी पे लेके जाना पड़ेगा.
Mama.
It's okay, it's okay. I am waiting for you here, okay?
Okay, Mama.
Come. अब आ रही हूँ, अब आ रही हूँ.
ठीक है. Oh my God.
I have done her operation. Now she don't have to use mobile anymore. इनको बहुत ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा. मैंने आपको इनको चश्मा आया है तो इनको अभी चश्मा हर टाइम लगा के रखना पड़ेगा.
Okay.
अब आप देखोगे कभी मोबाइल, देखो क्या हो गया. देखो sit here. Come. Sit down.
Come, sit there.
Mama.
Yes, बच्चा.
मैंने इनको इंजेक्शन दे दिया है, मैंने मेडिसिन दे दी है. आपको टाइम टू टाइम इनको देना है.
Okay.
और इनको ड्रॉप्स भी दिए हैं मैंने. अब इनको प्रॉपर ड्रॉप्स डालना है. ओके.
Okay.
ओवर आई ऑपरेटर मैंने इनकी आईज कट करके उनको प्रॉपर किया है. आप लोग को ऐसा कुछ चाहिए? मैंने बड़ा इंजेक्शन भी दिया इनको. आप लोग को देखोगे अभी मोबाइल. ये लो, अभी देखो मोबाइल. देखो लो. अरे आपको वीडियोस देख रहा है ना. देखो मोबाइल टीवी देखना आपको. अब से देखोगे मोबाइल घर पे. टीवी देखोगे आप. क्या है मोबाइल? इज अ बैड हैबिट. किसी को भी अगर आपको आपकी आईज खराब करनी है तो आप फुल मोबाइल देखो. करनी है आईज खराब, आपको आगे बढ़ना है ना, स्टडीज करनी है ना, आप बुक्स रीड कर सकते हो. आप लोग बाहर आउटडोर गेम खेल सकते हो आपके फ्रेंड्स के साथ. कितना कुछ है आपके पास. कितने सारे गेम्स आप खेल सकते हो. अगर आपको इस बच्चे की तरह आईज खराब करनी है, बड़े बड़े चश्मे चाहिए आप लोगों को, अभी इनको बहुत प्रॉब्लम होगा. ये अभी आप ये ना ही अभी टीवी देख सकेंगे, ना ही प्रॉपर बुक्स रीड कर सकेंगे. इनको बहुत टाइम लगेगा. आपको बनना है इस बच्चे की तरह किसी को भी. सो आज के बाद नो मोबाइल, नो टीवी. समझे? मम्मी पापा को भी यही बोलना है कि आज के बाद से उनको भी मोबाइल ज्यादा नहीं देखना. उनकी भी आईज खराब हो सकती है. ओके. सो नो मोबाइल.